What's good, Chopper Gang? I'm here again. You know the rules. We're here with another Chopper racing video. Today, I'll be unveiling my little surprise with the EG Coupe. Little haul. So, you guys know I've been telling you guys about a surprise and what build I'm planning on doing. So, I got everything here on a table. So, what I ended up deciding to do, y'all see what's this, right? This is a D16 manual transmission with obviously an auto to manual motor mount. So, y'all can already imagine where I'm going with this. I was thinking about going K at one point, and I actually changed my mind and sold all my K series stuff, and I wanted to do like a build that'll be fun, you know, it'll be informative, and it can show you guys that you can make power without, you know, spending much. You're not gonna make a ton of power, but you're definitely gonna have fun and you're gonna enjoy your car. So, you know, a lot of people might say, oh, you could just spend the same amount of money and go B series, but I wanted it to be boosted, you know, and I wanted to do it on a budget, so that's why I chose the D series. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this series. We will be going manual on the D series, and after that we're gonna do an eBay turbo build. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys follow me on this journey, but let me get into the parts I got back here. So obviously you guys just saw the transmission. Picked it up used, painted some stuff on it, you know, to make it look cleaner, pressure washed it, and like I said before, the auto to manual motor mount. And right here I have to still take out this this stud and replace it with this screw right here, which came with the motor mount. But over here on the table, this is where I have all this stuff. This is everything you're gonna need to go from auto to manual in a D series. So you guys can see I bought everything, most of the stuff new, not everything, but whatever I could get new. A lot of the stuff is eBay and very affordable. As far as the clutch kit, we'll get to that in a few seconds. But over here's the starter. So I got the tranny with the starter. So here's the tranny and the starter right here. So as we move on, let's start from left to right. So over here we have an aluminum radiator. I paid about 50 bucks for this radiator on eBay. All these aluminum radiators, they pretty much do the same thing. So, you know, it looks good. Sometimes it's okay to buy from eBay. You know, you just have to know what you're looking at and have an understanding of how things work. So I bought also some silicone hoses for the radiator right here, this one and this one. And over here, from the guy I got the transmission from, I managed to get this whole shift linkage, which is it's an EK shift linkage for D series. But when you're running when you're going from auto to manual on the EG, you can run EK shift linkage on an EG. You cannot run an EG shift linkage on a EK Civic, because if you're running the second O2 sensor, the bend right here will be different for the EK and EG. But when you're using the EK on the EG, it works perfectly fine. I went and ordered some solid bushings for the shifter. I have something like this on the big red, the red EK. So I think it works pretty good. See it here, just solid aluminum CNC. Also got them from eBay. So let's move on to the clutch kit. With this build, turned it into more like a budget build. So what I went and did was, I was like, you know what? Let me try one of these eBay kits that come the flywheel, the pressure plate, and the clutch disc, along with the tools, the pilot bearing, throwout bearing, and the alignment tool. I went with a clutch kit. Brand is Clutch Max. I was looking at pictures on eBay. I was kind of like trying to look at the construction of the different kits that were out there, and to me, the way this one's constructed, it seemed pretty durable. So the kit was like maybe 140 bucks, the complete kit, which is incredible. The clutch, my twin disc was about like maybe $1,100. So that's it for the clutch kit right here. 140 bucks, Clutch Max. We'll see how it holds up. We're not gonna make a lot of power. We're probably gonna make something around in the 200 range. We're leaving the internals completely stock for now. We're just gonna add a turbo kit, upgrade the fuel pump, upgrade the injectors, and obviously change the ECU. So I followed the clutch kit with some ARP flywheel bolts and pressure plate bolts. I had to get these anyway because the car is automatic right now. The automatic flywheel nuts, I don't believe they work with the manual flywheel. So I went and ordered these 2 bolts. As far as clutch master and slave cylinder, I got this kit on eBay also. It's a Blox X2000 clutch master cylinder with the adapter and braided line and Xceti OEM style clutch slave cylinder. This kit right here was about 150 bucks just for this one. So I went and bought that. When it comes to the starter, I bought 2 OEM bolts for the starter. I believe one of the bolts, the short bolt on the automatic tranny, would actually work, but I went on and bought both of them OEM just to have them fresh and new to install the starter to the tranny. So this will be the long bolt. Got your part number right now. Hold on. This is the part number right here. This is for the long bolt. I don't remember how much these screws were, but they weren't pricey at all. And the short bolt, here's the part number for that. So remember, you don't have to buy the short one, but the long one you'll definitely need when you go from auto to manual. I went and I also got a brand new shift boot to install, so the interior looked clean. Here's the part number for that, for a 95 Civic shift leather boot or whatever it's called. And also for the linkage, I forgot to tell you about the linkage, this part here. I have the pin and the washer that goes around the pin on the shift linkage. I got these for cheap too. Let me give you guys some part numbers on this also. Got that one. This is the pin. You do not want to lose this pin. If you lose this pin, you're not shifting your car. Shifter's gonna just slide in place and nothing's gonna happen. So you don't want to lose this pin never. And over here, this is like a washer that clips around the shifter and the pin. And that's the part number for that. So this is basically it. I mean, tomorrow I'll be filming the vlog on doing this conversion from auto to manual, and I'll be showing you guys how it goes. So that's my plan. I almost forgot to show you guys the most important part, which is the pedals. Without this, you're really not going nowhere. So I got a set of used pedals, standard, manual for the EG. So this is the final piece of the puzzle. I hope this video helped out a lot of you guys that's looking to go from auto to manual on the D series. For those who know, I hope I didn't miss anything. And this is the surprise. I will also be doing a eBay turbo build on this. So as the days go on, we'll be vlogging a lot more, and I'll be showing you guys the process. I'm looking to make about 200 to 225 horsepower on the EG. And just drive it around, have fun, and have a good time. I want you guys to come along with me and have a good time also. I love everybody that's liking the video. Love everybody that's commenting. Push the bell notifications so you know when I post a new vlog. And just thank you for your time. I love everybody. Chopper, out of here.